Hey everybody, Kevin from Deep Canvas again, and in this video we're going to take a look at another aspect of the products section. We're going to take a look at the individual product sizes. So in the last video that I just recorded, we took a look at this products page right here and the different product lines. So specifically we looked at natural spring water, and if I go ahead and click on that, we looked at this layout a little bit and how to kind of reorganize these a little bit. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at the actual product sizes themselves. And so how you get to that and how you edit and update those, if you're not already, make sure that you're logged in, and we're going to head to the dashboard of the site. And when we do that, we're going to scroll down and find product lines right here. And this is where all of the different data and pages for individual products live, is all within this product line section. So if you recall from the last video, we looked specifically at product lines. So this time we're going to look at product sizes. So we're going to go ahead and click on all product sizes right here. And you'll see right now we just have the product sizes for natural spring water. I think this one's all filled out, so we'll take a look at this one specifically. But if you take a look at all these, they correspond to the different sizes on this natural spring water page right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 2-gallon jug product size, because I know this one's all filled out. So we're going to go ahead and click Edit, and we'll open this and take a look at it. And so once this is all opened up right here, we'll see we have a featured image. And if we're looking at the natural spring water product line page, we'll see here's our featured image, and this corresponds right here with this product size. We'll also see a Find in Stores link, which corresponds to this button right here. And then if for whatever reason we need to link outside of the Absopure site, there's a link target. So if we need to open it in a new tab or a new window, we have that option. Right now you'll see this string of characters right here, and this is basically just linking down to the store locator right here, which again, as of this recording, is not fully filled out, but the functionality is there. So that's all that is right here. There's a little Find in Stores link and then a target. Moving right along, you'll see a product description with a header and a couple sentences about the product size itself. And then the last thing you'll see right here is available for speedy delivery, and a question mark. And so that corresponds with this little truck right here. So if for whatever reason this is no longer available as a speedy delivery, if we go ahead and click Update that and refresh it, you'll see that little truck icon has gone away. So that's kind of everything for editing an existing product size on the site. One key thing that I wanted to kind of touch on right here is to add a new product size. So we'll just go ahead and do that right from the get-go right here. So let's go ahead and add a new product size to our natural spring water page. So let's say that Absopure is going to start carrying 10-gallon jugs of water, for example. So how you would do that is you'd head over to product sizes right here, and you would click Add New up at the top, and then you give it a descriptive name. So I'd recommend following a similar convention to what we've been using on the live site right here. So let's call it 10-gallon jug. And then one other thing that I wanted to call out right here, you might notice on these existing product sizes, you see a little pipe character right here, which if you're not sure what that character is, it should be right above your Enter key on your keyboard. And so what that does is it tells the site to form a little break right here so we can format these nicely. So you'll see there's 1-gallon jug here, and then a break, and then natural spring water. Same here, same up here. So if you wanted to follow that same convention, you could do that. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks both with and without, but let's do it with the pipe character. Put that right in there, natural spring water. And then so once we've titled it, then what we're going to do is give it a featured image. Since this is a fictional product, I'm just going to use one that we already have. So I'm going to use this image right here. And then the next thing that we're going to do, a find in stores link. Again, since we're creating a fictional product, for this case, I'm just going to copy the find in stores link again right here, which is one that we've been using for all of our products, and then a product description. So let's say that I wanted to put a nice little description here. And then let's say that it is available for speedy delivery. So we'll go ahead and check that, and we'll publish that. And so, all right, so now our product size is published, and there's one last step. So once we publish the product size, what we need to do, if you refresh this page, our new product size has not yet been added to the product line page. So it's a bit of a two-step process. So once we have added our product size, we're going to go ahead and go into product lines, and we're going to go into the specific product line that we want to add this product to. So in this case, let's say that we are going to add it to natural spring water, because that's what it is. And then if you recall from the last video, we're going to go to the product sizes section, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to put it right at the end. So we'll add a product size right here, and then we'll search for our new 10-gallon jug that we just made. And let's go ahead and make it a 2/3 column so we can see the description there. And then once we're happy with that, we'll click Update, and we'll refresh our page. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, here is our awesome, super great 10-gallon water with our description and title down here, our Find in Stores link, and then the speedy icon right there. So there it is. That's kind of everything for how to manage the actual product sizes themselves. I know this might seem like a bit of a two-step process because you have to both create the product size right down here like we did, and then you have to fill out all the info for it, and then you have to add it to the product sizes section. And the reason that we did that is just to allow you guys a lot of flexibility with the layout. Doing it this way means that you can reorganize these however you want. So if for some reason you want to really emphasize this new product line that you had and move it up towards the top of the list, you can do that really easily by heading all the way up to the top and just reorganizing this just like that, and then updating your page right here. One thing that I will caution though, if we go ahead and refresh this page, you'll see some of this stuff starts to kind of look a little disorganized just because of the different sizes. So we have a 2/3 column, and then a 1/3 column, and then 3 1/3 columns, and then there's this one kind of on its own line right here. So one thing that I would caution is to just make sure that as you are filling out these product sizes and you're playing with the different column widths, that you make sure that they match up. So you either have 3 1/3 columns, or you have a 1/3 and a 2/3, and all matching up, just so that way the design stays nice and consistent. So that should do it for this video. I think in the next video we'll cover how to control the blog, and then we should be all set. So, all right, thanks for sticking in there, and we'll see you for the last video.